What's up, you guys? Today we're going to be going over Airbnb, which is a position that we took last week and ended up closing it out on Friday for a $3,285 profit. I'm not posting this to be like, hey, look at how much money I made. What we're doing right now is back testing and showing you guys what I was looking for, overall, why I took profits where I did, and how you can replicate this in your trading. So hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get into the video. So this is a 4-hour chart, which is very important. I really like to focus, and I believe most people should focus on the 4-hour to the daily time frame. Scalping is great for some people. Swing trading on the 1 hour is great for some people. But for most people who have less than $25,000, which is most people, don't really want to be trading on anything really smaller, in my opinion, unless you have a cash account or you specifically just want to day trade. 4-hour chart was looking very, very good here. You can see that ultimately before we got this bounce off of this golden zone, which is why I initially called it out, we had this channel. So a channel forms where we have this big push up, and then every single bounce that we get, slowly moving our way down lower and lower, with every single lower low moving our way down lower and lower equally, which is what's going to cause this channel, which you guys will see is up here in the white. Very basic, but for some people who don't understand that, it's very important to understand how price action is moving and within this channel. And so what we're looking for is potential retests of the top of the channel or potential retests of the bottom of the channel. And so what we saw here on March 7th was a top up around $128, followed by a very significant sell-off, double bottoming here on the 4-hour and bouncing at $112. From there, we took a massive rally up to this resistance level on that channel of about $125, which was a 10% move to the upside. And after being very exhausted, price action pulled its way back down to this level of 117, which is when it spiked my interest. Now, the reason that I was interested in this is because after this rally, we were going to test this golden Fibonacci level to see if we had the legs to potentially run back up and test this resistance, or if we were going to drop back down through this level and potentially test a lower low of about $110. The Fibonacci retracement is one of my favorite drawing tools to use, and all you do is go from this recent swing low up to where this swing high was. You have to understand that I only saw this portion of the chart that's currently covered within the Fibonacci. This breakout to the right was not here. So the reason that I entered was we had pulled back and tested this bounce. After this bounce to the upside, we had tested 118 once again. And so I entered on the confirmation of the breakout up around 118.19 and was looking for a take profit up here at 124 because that was a struggling spot a week prior. Now, the reason I didn't go buying down at 116.68, even though that would have technically been the best price, is because I want confirmation before I enter. If we don't get confirmation, yeah, we could get a great price, but if we had ended up gapping down the next day and driving right down to 113, gapping 3, 4, 5% to the downside, it doesn't matter how great my risk management is if I can't sell my position. So we had entered our position somewhere around here, look for this run up to 123. And to be quite honest, on the bigger time frame on this daily and weekly, it actually looks like Airbnb is really going to try to continue to run. Specifically here on the weekly, if we can get some legs and some more volume coming through this, I think that we could pretty easily see Airbnb test 130 within the next couple of weeks. I think I might actually re-enter this position, but instead go with some leap options out till next January or maybe even the middle of next summer. I just closed out the positions that I had because I just felt that my small time frame trade was up and that walking away from the trade to not worry about it was probably the best thing. But as long as the weekly can hold these levels going into maybe the mid or end of April, I would be looking to enter a position to see if we can test this massive break back up to $145 and potentially $173, which obviously I will keep you guys posted. I hope that this video helped. It was short, sweet, but I felt that giving you guys the understanding of why I get into trades will help you retrace them live while you're trading and ultimately will make you a better trader in general. If you guys want access to all of our free resources, the link to our Discord community will be down below. And if you want access to all of my trades, you can do that with the link in the description. It's currently $30 per month or $1 per day for the next couple of weeks, but the price will be going up as we get more and more students coming into the Discord community. As always, guys, thank you for all of the support. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.